Python fundamentals, Python character set. I'm going to explain Python fundamentals, and first topic is Python character set. Python character set are list of those characters which is supported by Python interpreter. See the definition. Character set is the set of valid characters that a language can recognize. I hope you have understood. The character set is a list of characters which is supported by Python interpreter or it is recognized by Python. A character represents any letter, digit or any other symbol. So in character set there may be character, any character, it may be letter, it may be digit or any other symbol. Python has the following character sets. So here we are categorizing the character set in different categories which are given below. First of all, see the letters. Which are letters? Letters are capital A to Z or small a to Z. There are some digits like 0 to 9. Special symbols like plus, minus, multiply, etc. These are special symbols. White space is also a character. Blank space, tab, carriage returns, new line, form feed, they are also considered as character. Other characters are also supported by Python interpreters. These characters are ASCII Unicode characters. Python can process all ASCII and Unicode characters as part of data or literals. So it supports all ASCII and Unicode and data or literals. As you know, English alphabets, digits, white space, these are ASCII, but different languages are also supported by Unicode. Let's see some other examples, or here we are going to discuss what are tokens. Tokens I'm going to explain in a passage of text. Individual words and punctuation marks are called tokens. So tokens we can define in another word, a word or a small unit of Python program is called token. Python is also called lexical unit or lexical elements. The smallest individual unit in a program is called token. So simply we can say tokens are smallest individual unit. So whatever you write in Python program, each and every unit is token. Python has the following tokens. Let's categorize the tokens. First token is the keyword. Second, identifiers. Third, literals. Fourth, operators. And fifth, punctuators. All these are in a group called tokens. Let's explain what is keyword. Keywords, as its name suggests or defines, keywords are special words. It has some special meaning. Used to give special meaning to the interpreter and are used by Python interpreter to recognize the structure of program. You know, when we design a Python program, there are some special words which have some particular meaning, and that meaning cannot be changed. These words are called keywords. These are reserved for special purpose and must not be used as normal identifiers names. Some examples of keywords are int, float, etc. These are keywords. Another token are Python identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to different program elements like variables, objects, classes, functions, lists, dictionaries, etc. As you know, when we define or create a Python programs, we are allowed to use some names, our own names. We name to a variable some objects, class name, function name, list name, dictionary name. All these names are identifiers. It consists of letters and digits in any order except that the first character must be a letter. The underscore counts as a character, but there are some certain rules to declare an identifier. Identifier must be start with a letter, underscore, or a character. It must be a character. Identifiers are unlimited in length. So you need to note down there is no limit of the length of identifier in Python. Python is a case sensitive programming language, thus and value are two different identifiers in Python. All characters are significant. Python is a case sensitive language, it means capital letters and small letters are treated differently. Rules for identifiers. There are certain rules to declare identifiers. Let's see the rules. It consists of letters and digits in any order except that the first character must be a letter. It consists of letters and digits in any order except that the first character must be a letter. This is the first rule. Your Python identifier must be start with letter or underscore. The underscore counts as a character. In Python, underscore treated as a character. Spaces are not allowed. Special characters are not allowed, such as at, dollar, etc. cannot be used in identifiers. An identifier must be a keyword of Python. When you are defining or creating a Python keyword, must not be used as identifier. Variables names should be meaningful which easily depicts the logic. Variable names should be meaningful which easily depicts the logic, means variables should be chosen like that. It should be descriptive for what purpose these identifiers are used.